Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making Outlook reflect your day immediately. Set your default calendar, confirm time zone, and define work hours so invites align. Once done, create 2 to 4 color-coded calendars or categories: work, personal, focus, and admin, and assign each a clear color. Make default reminders short, like 10-15 minutes, and enable mobile sync so changes follow you. These initial steps prevent double booking and give you visible structure. Now we'll layer in recurring rules and time blocks. Next, build durable structure. Convert frequent entries into recurring events or use templates for common meetings. This reduces creation time and keeps patterns consistent. Time block deep work on a dedicated calendar or category and mark admin on another. Overlay them to spot conflicts. Use the scheduling assistant when coordinating across people and check the overlay view to avoid hidden clashes. Make rules to auto-assign category based on organizer or subject. That automation finish by setting a weekly review ritual. Scan the upcoming week, tidy categories, and resolve conflicts or overly long meetings. Automate where possible. Use quick steps to create event types and rules to categorize incoming invites, and export a backup or enable cloud sync so you can recover changes. If issues appear, like duplicates or wrong times, check linked accounts and time zone settings first. Correcting those usually fixes most problems. Make sure mobile and desktop show the same view before you call it done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.